Hi, I hope you are doing well. This is your host Som Batla again. In this today's video, I'll be sharing with you a step-by-step process whereby you can do right things at the right time without any confusion. Should we begin? Is it a yes? Let's get started. I'll be sharing two things in this video. Number one, I'll be sharing with you a step-by-step system. And number two, I'll be sharing with you my author freedom model, which is the secret source of all my success behind writing 20 plus books. And you can also structure a journey on the process I'm going to teach you. Right? Let's get started. The four phases. Step-by-step process to do right things on right time in right way. The four steps are research, writing, launching, and marketing. In the first research phase, we pick up the right topic. Then we start researching for the right content and collect material. Then we ask for the feedback to the right people for gathered material. In the second phase, which is writing phase, we start outlining the book. Then we write with our right imaginative brain and then edit with the left logical brain. We complete the first draft to gather all ideas and then we refine it and make it better. We take feedback on writing, then we adjust it according to feedback. In the third phase, launching, we do editing, then formatting for different views. Then we cover design in which we select different images, titles and subtitles. Then we run the split test for the feedback within the community, which is better, and then we improvise our mistakes. And then we finally publish it on the platform. In marketing stage, we do organic boost first, in which we plan proper launch sequence and market it to our own audience. Then we do promotion techniques to bring in more sales at a faster pace. Finally, we repeat the process. The one thing which is common in all the four phases is feedback, and that's the most crucial element. We'll talk about feedback soon in this video. Now, let's talk about the author freedom model. Here I'll be sharing with you how you need to structure your author journey to make it more successful. Well, your author journey needs to have these three things: proven processes or systems, updated expert mentoring, and conducive environment. You need proven systems and processes that are reliable, predictable, and repeatable. Now, as you already know about systems, you need not to deep dive in again. In this area, you need proven strategies and understanding how to use them so you don't get confused and use it again and again for a successful book. Second is updated expert mentoring. You need it because you don't know everything. Even if you have a proven process, in future things will change, so you need an updated expert mentorship. A mentor does trial and error at his own cost of time, money, and expertise and creates new strategies which are beneficial to you. That is why updated learning is good. Third is conducive environment. Well, it's a truth that we become our surroundings. Whatever we surround ourselves, we become that. Having a group of people who are daily writers, who are action takers, who are problem solvers, who are creative geniuses and hardworking, all this in one way or another get rub on us, and we start to become like them eventually. That is why we need a good environment. A good environment can also help us to give feedback on our work. Your friends and family are biased towards you and your book. That is why they will say sweet things to everything, and you won't get proper feedback. That wouldn't be good for you, because if the right feedback is not given in the right time, the mistakes wouldn't be improvised, and it can result in a poor book launch. Environment will be helpful for both as a feedback provider and also as a solution provider. There can be some problems you may face, some technical issues, or platform related technical troubleshootings, or any payment related problems. A community can always help you in doing that because many of them have already gone through what you are going and they have already solved the problem. Now just for giving an example, I am sharing with you insights of author freedom model in our program, but please don't share this with anyone. Can we keep it a secret? Can we? Yes? Thanks. So let's move forward. Here you go. This is author freedom model in Author Freedom Hub. So we have this three framework for applying this author freedom model in our program. First C is for the course, which is an online pre-recorded video training. The course section is all about the first element, proven process, system. Here you will get to know everything that you need to know about the process, system, strategy, Everything in a step-by-step way that anyone can follow. Everything about research, writing, publishing, launching, and marketing, and all the things. It's the best thing, and I'm proud of it. The second C is for coaching. It's about the second element in the equation: updated expert mentorship. I myself do all the trials and errors and find new things, tools, ideas, methods to make your author journey more easy. I do weekly live coachings for my students, solve all their doubts. We record it and update it in our members area so others can have access to it whenever they want, wherever they want. At the same time, if anything in future will change regarding anything, I keep updated my students with the latest proven strategies. So they can always make their book a success with their wish and work without worrying about whether the things will change. Right? The final and the last C is one of the most important. It is for the community and enable us to with a conducive environment. In a couple of minutes, I'll be sharing which type of problems writers can face and how a community can save you. Primarily, a community can help you with two types of things. First is feedback. Just because all of them are writer, they know better than your friends and family how your research can be better, how your formatting can be well, how your cover image can be improved, what title and subtitle can hook the readers, and post-publishing to review your book, of course. So all of their feedback will be good addition in your journey and increase your chances to win this game. And they are not 5 or 10 people. There are hundreds and hundreds of writers giving you feedback, and soon there will be thousands, hopefully. For all the categories and genres, for of health, self-help, business, finance, relationship, and whatnot. From poem to novel, fiction, non-fictional, shairi collection, thriller, romance, comedy, autobiography and biography, and everything else. And let's now discuss how they can serve you. So, which type of problems writers can face and how a community can serve you. Problems are inevitable, but they are always figure-outable. There are many types of problems you may run into as a writer. These are most likely tech-related problems, platform-related queries, payment queries, other queries. Here are some examples. Here we can see Mansi's different queries. One of our students is Mansi Singh. You can see on the screen. She is really brilliant student and her book got bestseller rank. See here in the picture 1, she has a platform related problem and her ISBN was not allotted. In picture 2, she had a problem with price related problem, technical issues. Then in picture 3, she had an issue with payments. Her royalties are not shown properly by the platform. It was resolved by Vikram. He is a senior writer in the community and always helps others. We can see in picture 4, her problem related royalties were solved and she was thanking everyone. It is not about asking, she is also contributing to society, to the community. Now in picture 5, she is sharing how she had done her own editing for a book and ready to help others. In picture 6, she is helping another student regarding her GST query. In picture 7, she is sharing how she achieved the bestseller category without using ads, but just by using organic launch sequence. So we saw our student Mansi had queries and problems and technical glitches, but all of them were addressed and solved with the help of this community. And later on, she herself contributed to this community. Now just imagine if she was alone doing all this on her own, was all of it possible? She had to worry and work in all directions to solve every single problem. But here she could learn from others' mistakes and could use their experience and expertise for free. Yes. Let's see a couple of other examples. Here Apurva is having some technical issues. But for the better luck, Vishal also had it in the past. So he solved the problem for her in minutes. In picture 2, Kokila is helping Abu to create a PayPal account. She shared the documents and process in details. Here in picture 3, our student solved one problem and he is asking if others want to know this in advance so that he can share the mail with the others. In picture 4, Pratham, who is a young author among us, had some problem related to his underage situation and documentation. And as always, Vikram solved it in seconds. Right? Then we can see Gaurav is having some price conversion issues on the platform, which is answered for him. And sometimes you can also make some mistakes. See in the last picture, Mandira is talking about his payment blunder. But you never need to worry because many people have made this mistake before you. and they can guide you to solve it. If only you have an experience and rich community, you can never go there and buy people's mistake. Here in our community, you get access to all these senior authors who are at the edge of their seats to help you. They are also so active in the community to give feedback, to solve your doubts, to share their wins and mistakes, so you can make your journey easy. If someone asks what are the most precious things you have shown, then I'll say this community. They are not the competition kind of breed. They are all collaborative and supportive kind of positive people. And you can have access to them right at your fingertips if you only allow yourself to be part of them. Well, Author Freedom Hub has all that you need to become a successful author. A course that takes care of all processes, systems, strategies, methods, and how to apply them step by step. Coaching that solves your doubts and keeps you updated with the latest ways, and community that is always ready to share and solve your doubts. So you can always be sure that no matter what problem comes in the morning, it will be solved by the afternoon. Author freedom model is one of the best models because the word author represents your capability to be an author and live a fulfilled life by doing what you always wanted to do. The word freedom represents having freedom in your life. Freedom to try, to do, to have, and to be that you wish. And the word model represents the idea that you can always model someone else's trial and error, his hard work, his mistakes, his success, his feedback, his updates, and use it all to have faster and better financial growth. Thus, the author freedom model shares the three important components in its name. Author for fulfillment, freedom, which is no dependency, and it can serve as a model to generate finances. So fulfillment, freedom, finance is equal to author freedom model. Yes, my friend, author freedom model. And now I would love to share all of these with you. If you can just make a commitment to do it. Just for you, I've kept those special prices and all the exclusive bonuses. Before they expire, I wish you to utilize them and join the author freedom model and start your journey based on this model to create a life of desire that you want. A life of fulfillment, finance, and freedom. Are you in? Thank you.